and key stakeholders. Moving on business context, Contoso Ltd's AI Transformation Challenge. Contoso Ltd is a 3,200 employee professional services firm operating across 8 countries, generating annual revenue of $480 million across 3 business units: strategy consulting, technology solutions, and operations advisory. It is a realistic, detailed scenario, not a toy example, because your exam and your career will demand the same level of contextual thinking. Current AI state: Contoso holds Microsoft 365 3 licenses across the workforce, but has not deployed Copilot for Microsoft 365. A small number of teams in technology solutions are using personal chat GPT accounts unofficially, creating ungoverned data exposure that has already attracted a warning from the head of legal. There is no AI policy, no AI governance body, and no formal AI strategy. 5 specific business pain points drive the transformation mandate. Proposal writing averages 12 hours per engagement and is the single biggest bottleneck on consultant utilization. Client research takes 3 days per new engagement, despite 80% of sources being internal knowledge. Meeting preparation and follow-up consumes an estimated 4.5 hours per consultant per week. Knowledge management is broken. The firm has 14 years of project IP trapped in unstructured SharePoint libraries that no one can efficiently search, and client reporting requires manual data aggregation from 4 systems that takes the operations team 2 days per month per client. The 3 key stakeholders you must navigate are the CFO, Margaret Osei, who approved $1.2 million in year 1 budget, but demands a clear ROI case within 6 months and will reject any proposal that cannot show measurable cost reduction or revenue impact. The CTO, Priya Sharma, who is enthusiastic about AI, has already built a small proof of concept with Azure OpenAI and will push for ambitious technical scope. Your job is to channel her energy without creating ungoverned sprawl. And the head of legal, David Marchetti, who is cautious, GDPR conscious, and will block any rollout that cannot demonstrate data residency controls and acceptable use policies. The board level pressure is explicit. 3 of Contoso's largest competitors have publicly announced AI transformation programs, and 2 enterprise clients have asked whether Contoso uses AI in its delivery methodology. The CEO has set a non-negotiable target. Contoso must have a credible AI transformation story to tell clients within 9 months. Constraints are real. GDPR applies across all European operations. Client confidentiality agreements prohibit sending client data to external AI services without explicit consent. And 2 clients in the financial services sector have specific data sovereignty requirements that preclude use of multi-tenant cloud AI unless data residency is guaranteed within the EU. Understanding this context deeply is what separates a professional roadmap from a generic slide deck. Every use case you identify, every tool you select, and every governance policy you draft must be traceable back to a specific pain point, stakeholder concern, or compliance constraint. That traceability is what the scoring rubric rewards. Theory 2 and 3. Welcome to the Capstone. This is where everything you have learned becomes a real deliverable. Capstone 1 is the first of 2 major assessed projects in AB-731. It requires you to produce a complete board-ready AI transformation roadmap for a simulated professional services company, Contoso Ltd, applying every concept covered in domains 2 and 3 of the exam syllabus. The capstone is designed to replicate the real-world work of an AI transformation leader. You are the senior executive responsible for making the case for AI, selecting the right tools, designing governance guardrails, and setting a credible 12-month adoption plan that will survive scrutiny from the CFO, head of legal, and the board. You will produce 6 deliverables. 1. An AI opportunity assessment ranking the top 5 use cases by business value and feasibility. 2. A technology selection matrix comparing Copilot, Copilot Studio, and Microsoft Foundry. 3. An AI governance policy covering data handling, acceptable use, and oversight structure. 4. A 12-month phased adoption roadmap with quarterly milestones. 5. A KPI dashboard template measuring business adoption and responsible AI outcomes. And 6. A 2-page executive summary formatted for a board presentation. Domain 2 connection, tool selection, Copilot capabilities, Microsoft 365 integration, and Foundry fundamentals are all tested in domain 2%, 35 to 40 RPE of the exam. Your technology matrix must demonstrate this knowledge with justification, not just labels. Domain 3 connection, the governance policy, KPI framework, adoption plan, and executive summary directly map to domain 3, 20 to 25 AI, topics including AI council structure, responsible AI controls, ADCAR change management, and the AI champion network model. Scoring is based on 5 dimensions: strategic alignment, use case quality, governance rigor, roadmap, realism, and communication clarity, each worth 20 points, giving a total of 100 points with a pass mark of 70. The Capstone lab session gives you 90 minutes of structured guided time. The theory session you are in now ensures you arrive with the right mental framework so that your 90 minutes produces professional, exam relevant output rather than generic bullet points. Theory. Look at Capstone 1 scoring rubric and success criteria. Capstone 1 is scored out of 100 points across 5 equally weighted dimensions of 20 points each. The pass mark is 70 out of 100. Each dimension maps directly to a domain 2 or domain 3 exam competency, ensuring that strong capstone performance predicts strong exam performance. Strategic alignment, 20 points. Does your roadmap demonstrably address Contoso's specific business pain points and stakeholder concerns? High scores require explicit traceability. Each use case should reference the pain point it resolves. Each governance control should reference the stakeholder concern or compliance constraint it addresses. Generic AI roadmaps that could apply to any company score in the 0 to 10 range. Contoso-specific roadmaps with quantified targets score 15 to 20. Dimension 2, use case quality, 20 points. Are your top 5 AI use cases realistic, well justified, and correctly prioritized? Scoring criteria include appropriate tool selection for each use case, using Copilot for content generation tasks, process automation, Foundry for custom model scenarios, a clear articulation of the business value and measurable success metric for each use case, and a credible feasibility assessment that acknowledges data, technical, and change management dependencies. Dimension 3, governance rigor, 20 points. Does your governance framework provide genuine protection against the risks of AI deployment in a professional services firm handling confidential client data? High-scoring submissions include an acceptable use policy that explicitly addresses the GDPR constraint and client confidentiality requirements, an AI council structure with named roles, decision rights, and escalation paths, at least 3 responsible AI controls with monitoring mechanisms, and a data classificatio N policy that maps Contoso's data categories to AI tool permissions. 4 roadmap, realism 20 points is your 12-month roadmap achievable given Contoso's budget, $1.2 million, workforce size, current AI maturity, and the change management burden involved. Common failures include proposing to deploy Copilot to all 3,200 employees in month 1, unrealistic change management, setting pilot targets of 90% adoption within 30 days, unrealistic timelines, or selecting Microsoft Foundry as the primary tool when Contoso's team has no ML engineering capability mismatch. Realistic roadmaps show phased deployment, conservative early adoption targets, and risk mitigations for the most likely failure modes. Dimension 5 communication clarity, 20 points, is your executive summary written in business language that a non-technical board member can understand and act on. Technical jargon without explanation, unquantified assertions, AI will improve efficiency, and missing risk sections are common reasons for low scores in this dimension. A 2020th executive summary states the business case in terms of ROI, names the 3 key risks and their mitigations, requests a specific decision, and is free of unexplained acronyms. One bonus consideration, candidates who explicitly connect their roadmap choices to AB-731 exam domain topics using domain language naturally, rather than robotically demonstrate the integrated understanding that distinguishes a transformation leader from a transformation technician. The exam tests application, not recall, and so does this capstone. Theory. Capstone. The next concept we need to cover is framework, assess, plan, pilot, scale. The assess, plan, pilot, scale framework is the 4-phase model underpinning the AB-731 AI transformation approach. It is deliberately simple at the level of labels and deliberately rigorous at the level of execution, a structure any business leader can communicate to a board, while any project team can execute with discipline. 1. Assess. Months 1 to 2, the organization conducts a structured AI readiness assessment covering 3 dimensions. Business readiness. Which pain points are acute enough to justify AI investment, and which processes are stable enough to be good candidates. Data readiness. Is the data that would feed an AI solution accessible, clean, and governable? And people readiness. What is the current AI literacy level? Who are the potential champions? And what change resistance exists? The output is a prioritized use case register with a business value versus feasibility matrix. Phase 2 plan, months 2 to 3, governance structures, tool selection, and the detailed adoption roadmap are established. This phase produces the AI policy, the AI Council Charter, the technology architecture decision, the change management plan, and the success metrics framework. Planning is not bureaucracy. It is the investment that prevents costly mid-rollout reversals and regulatory surprises. Phase 3 pilot, months 3 to 6, 1 or 2 high-value, lower-risk use cases are deployed with a defined group of 50 to 150 pilot users. Pilot is not a test of the technology. It is a test of the organization's readiness. Change metrics are captured weekly, adoption barriers are identified and addressed, and the governance framework is stress tested against real usage patterns before enterprise scale. Fail, months 6 to 12, proven use cases are expanded across the organization. New use cases are introduced on a rolling quarterly cadence, and the AI governance framework is operationalized through the AI Council and Champion Network. The organization moves from managing an AI project to managing AI as an ongoing strategic capability. Each phase has explicit entry and exit criteria. You do not move from assess to plan until you have a signed off use case register. You do not move from pilot to scale until you can demonstrate measurable adoption rates and at least two confirmed business outcomes from the pilot. These gates protect the investment and the organization. For the capstone, your roadmap must explicitly map all four phases to calendar quarters, assign ownership to named role types, not just the team, and show how the six deliverables connect across the four phases. The opportunity assessment belongs to assess, the governance policy and tool selection belong to plan, and the KPI framework spans pilot through scale. Theory. Turn to roadmap components, vision, use cases, governance, and enablement now. A professional AI transformation roadmap is not a technology project plan. It is a strategic document that connects business objectives to AI capabilities through a sequence of deliberate, governed steps. The four essential components are an AI vision statement, a prioritized use case portfolio, a governance and policy framework, and an enablement and adoption plan. Component 1, AI vision statement, a crisp board level articulation of what the organization is trying to achieve with AI, expressed in business outcomes rather than technology features. A weak vision statement says, we will deploy Copilot for Microsoft 365. A strong vision statement says, we will use AI to reduce non-billable consultant time by 30% within 12 months, freeing our people to focus on client value and enabling the firm to grow revenue without proportional headcount growth. The vision anchors every subsequent decision. Component 2, prioritize use case portfolio. Use cases must be evaluated on two axes: business value, revenue impact, cost reduction, risk mitigation, or strategic differentiation, and feasibility, data availability, technical complexity, regulatory risk, and change management burden. The top 5 use cases for Contoso should be sequenced so that the highest value, lowest risk candidates go into pilot first, building credibility and adoption momentum before more complex use cases are attempted. Component 3, governance and policy framework, includes the acceptable use policy, what employees can and cannot do with AI tools, the data handling policy, what data categories can be processed by which AI systems under what conditions, the AI council structure, who has decision-making authority, oversight responsibility, and escalation accountability, and the responsible AI controls, how the organization monitors for bias, error, and misuse at scale. Without governance, the roadmap is a liability, not an asset. Component 4, enablement and adoption plan. Technology deployment is 20% of the challenge. Behavior change is 80%. The enablement plan must specify AI literacy training by role and level, the AI champion network structure and activation plan, the communications cadence, what messages, to whom, from whom, at what frequency, and the feedback loops that allow adoption barriers to surface and be resolved quickly. Adkar awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, reinforcement provides the change management backbone. A common mistake among candidates is to over-engineer the technology architecture section and underinvest in governance and adoption planning. Examiners, like real boards, are more concerned with what could go wrong and how will you prevent it than with which Azure service you selected. Roadmap accordingly. The executive summary component. The two-page board brief must distill all four components into a document that a non-technical executive can read in 5 minutes and feel confident voting to approve. Clear structure, quantified outcomes, identified risks with mitigations, and a specific ask, budget, headcount, decision are the hallmarks of a board-ready AI transformation brief. Theory.